Let's start nice and easy. ABBA's hit Waterloo won what international song contest in 1974? And it is option D, Eurovision Song Contest. Name the Swedish programmer nicknamed Notch who created the game Minecraft. And the correct answer is option C, Marcus Persson. IKEA's best-selling flat-pack item since 1979 is what minimalist bookcase series? That one was option A, Billy. Things just got a bit tougher. In Stieg Larsson's Millennium novels, hacker Lisbeth Salander uses which insect-based screen name online? That one was option C, Wasp. Identify the Norwegian band behind the rotoscoped 1985 video for Take On Me. And it is option C, AHA. Known for penning hits for Britney Spears and Taylor Swift, who is Sweden's chart-dominating pop producer. Correct answer. Option B, Max Martin. What Swedish cultural practice describes a relaxed coffee break, often taken with cinnamon buns? It's option B, fika. No guesses. You either know these or you don't. Chef René Redzepi co-founded which Copenhagen restaurant repeatedly crowned the world's best for new Nordic cuisine? Correct answer. Option C, Noma. In the Danish-Swedish crime drama The Bridge, what is the name of the socially blunt detective from Malmö partnered with Martin Rode? We were looking for option B, Saga Noren. Jo Nesbø's novels beginning with the Bat Center on which hard-drinking Oslo detective? Lock it in. Option A, Harry Hole. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.